Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAT by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this particular part design by using CATIA. Now let me enter into here new part by using here start part design. Just I'll say OK here. Now before going to create this particular part, we need to able to read this particular drawing properly. Now as you can see, we are having one simple model which is having only two views. So here we are having one top view. From this top view, if we make exactly cut section on this reference to this horizontal axis, we are able to get this particular part. So already we know about the section views. Wherever this section part we are able to see with hatching, there cut section of material is present, and wherever it is showing hollow, there removal of material is present. It means it is nothing but it is a hollow shape. Now as we can see, base we are having here with height of 4.4, but we don't know with which shape we need to add material here. Same if you see this projection view from top, we are having here this curvature profile. So this curvature profile we are able to see from top. So we need to create that shape on the top plane only. Why? Because this curve we can't create with front view. Now let me enter into sketch by using this position sketch on this top plane. So to make proper position, just I'll make it here swap and reverse vertical. So this is the proper orientation of the sketch. Let's say OK here. Now to create this outer shape, directly we are having one option called here. As you can see, we can go here with elongated hole exactly from this horizontal axis to this horizontal axis. Just I'll create one profile like this. Then dimension for this outer profile we are having radius of 18. So while creating this profile with elongated hole, by default we will get radius here. So we don't want to delete and no need to give again constraint. Directly we can modify this. We need here radius of 18. Then if I try to move this, it is freely moving and we don't have any proper reference with reference to this vertical axis. So to apply that, just I'll click on constraint. I'll select this first element, then second element. Here mouse right click. We need here allow symmetry line with reference to this vertical axis. It means whatever the distance we are having from this central axis to this point, same distance will be applied for opposite side also. Then point to point we are having length of 22.5. Again by using constraint, just I'll give this dimension of 22.5 like this. As you can see, this outer shape we have got now. Then just I'll go here with exit workbench. With this shape we need to add material. So just I'll click on pad. We need to make here with a thickness of 4.4. Let me give this height of 4.4 and say OK. So like this we are able to create this base. Then next to that, again if you see from top, we are having here curvature profile, and it should be make this much height with height of 16 minus 4.4. Again let me go for sketch on this top plane by using position sketch. Just I'll make swap reverse vertical, say OK. Now same again I'll create the same shape by using this elongated hole from this horizontal axis to horizontal axis like this. Dimension for this outer curve we are having 7.6 radius. Let me edit this 7.6. Then this curve should be exactly with reference to center point of this. Directly we can apply relation called concentricity here. Just I'll apply concentricity. Same opposite side also we want. This circle to this circle we need same center point. Concentricity like this. Exit workbench. Again this we will make this pad. As we can see, total we are having 16. Already we have created this space with 4.4. So just I'll make it here 16 minus 4.4 like this. So extra pad is added here. Then now all addition of material done. Then we will go for removal of material. As you can see, we are having here pocket with a pocket depth of 5 mm with this inside shape which is having radius of 5. So again we need to create one sketch on this top plane. Just I'll make proper orientation. Let's say okay. Then again I'll repeat the step. Just I'll create one elongated hole, or else we can take offset for that existing profile. Then inner curve radius we are having 5. Let me change this radius as 5. Then by using constraint, we'll apply relation between curve to curve. We need same center point, concentricity. Again, this curve to this curve also we need same center point, concentricity. Then exit workbench. With this shape, we need to make this pocket in downside direction with a depth of 5. So let me give here depth of 5 and say okay. Addition of material done, removal of material done. Then we will go for dress up features. Dress up features is nothing but fillets or chamfers. As we can see here, we are having fillet radius of 1 mm for this outer edge and this edge. Let me go here with fillet. For this outer edge, we need to select a single edge like this. We are having here radius of 1 mm. Let me give radius of 1 here like this. Then at last we will go for holes. Here center holes we are having with a diameter of 5. Total 2 holes are there concentric to this existing circles. Now just I'll click on hole. Whenever we want to create exactly center point of the existing curvature hole, just we need to click on outer curvature first. Then we need to select the face from which support we need to create the hole. Now concentric to this circle I need from this support with a diameter of 5, depth should be up to next. Like this. One hole will be created. Same one more hole we are having opposite to that. So directly we can select this hole and we'll make here mirror, which is available under transformation features toolbar, mirror. Same hole we need opposite to that. In between these two we are having plane is this side plane. Just I'll click on this side plane and I'll say okay. Opposite to that we will get that extra hole. Then again we are having here multiple holes. This hole should be exactly on this radius of 13 curvature. Now let me click on hole. I need to create one hole on this top face. Then as we can see, counter bore hole we are having here. Normal hole diameter we are having here 3.4. Let me give normal hole diameter 3.4. Normal hole depth should be up to next. Then counter bore diameter is 7. Counter bore depth we are having here 1 mm. Just I will go for type. We need here counter bore. Counter bore diameter we are having 7. Counter bore depth we are having 1. So after giving proper dimensions, we need to make this proper position for the center point of the hole. For that we will go here with positioning sketch. Now to make proper position, we are having here one more constructed elongated hole which is having radius of 13. Let me create that. Just from this to this, we need one constructed profile like this. Dimension for this we are having radius of 13. Then to make it iso constraint, just we'll apply relation between that circle to other existing circle concentricity. Again this to this also we need concentricity. Then whatever the point highlighting in white color, this is the center point of the hole. This point should be exactly on this constructed profile. Just I'll make it here coincidence. Then as you can see, this hole is exactly on this horizontal axis. Just I'll make this point to this vertical axis. I'll make it coincidence. Now you can see that point is highlighting in green color. If we check, it is showing iso constraint. Then exit workbench. Just I'll say okay. Now we have created only a single hole. Same by using this original hole, we need to create here multiple duplicate features of 5 by using any pattern. So here we are not able to use this linear pattern or rectangular pattern or this circular pattern. So in these conditions we are going to use this user pattern. So user pattern is nothing but we are able to create with our own pattern. For that, first we need to enter into sketch on this face. Then we need to create points wherever we want to create that duplicate features. Just I'll create one here and one more here. Then these 2 points I'll select. I'll make those mirror with reference to this. Now to make again this proper position, again we need to create this radius of 13 elongated hole with construction. Just I'll turn on constructed element. I'll create one profile like this. Dimension for this we are having diameter or radius of 30. Then to make it isoconstrain, these 2 existing circle, same concentricity. Again these 2 existing concentricity. Then this point should be exactly on this coincidence. This point also should be exactly on this construction profile coincidence. As we can see, these are the mirror objects. Just I'll make it here also coincidence. Then this point also should be on this construction profile. Point to this construction element. We need here coincidence like this. Then this point also it's available. Just I'll make relation between these two also coincidence. Now this it got isoconstrained, but still these points are left. Those are showing under constraint. Then this should be exactly straight to this center point of the hole. Now just we need relation between this center point to this point, or else directly we can make relation between this point to existing point. Why? Because we are having straight to that existing point. Just I'll make it coincidence here also. As we can see, our sketch is isoconstrained. Exit workbench. Now by using this original feature, we need to create duplicate features wherever we want by using this user pattern. Just I'll click on user pattern. Then first we need to select object to pattern. I need to make pattern for this hole. Then positions where we want to create the duplicate features. So we need to create duplicate features exactly where we have created these points by using sketch. Just I'll select these points, and if I go for preview, as we can see properly wherever we have created these points, exactly there we are getting these extra holes. So like this we are able to create this particular part. If you want to apply some any color or something, just we can go on part body, mouse right click, go for properties, just we can go with graphic. You are able to change the color here like this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box.